Para business leaders dan intellectual business community, kita jumpa lagi dalam acara CEO Reference. Kali ini kita akan membahas satu topik yang cukup jarang kita bahas, yaitu tentang operations. Kita ambil artikel dari Harvard Business Review bulan September tahun 2009 yang berjudul Are You Having Trouble Keeping Your Operations Focused? Inti dari artikel ini adalah bahwa dalam operations kita pasti dihadapkan pada masalah efficiency. Ya. Tentunya nomor satu adalah effectiveness. Tetapi effectiveness itu sudah ditentukan untuk di-achieve. Pertanyaan selanjutnya, bagaimana kita mencapai apa yang kita sudah targetkan tersebut dengan se-efficient mungkin. Ya. Dan di dalam operation kita tahu kita selalu ada kontradiksi antara apakah kita mau membagi tugas itu ke dalam dua tim yang terpisah atau harus kita gabungkan. Jadi masalah spesialisasi dan unifikasi itu adalah masalahnya. Ya, sehingga kalau terlalu specialized maka tentunya cost-nya akan tinggi. Kalau terlalu unified, apakah pekerjaannya terhandle dengan baik? Karena kalau kita tahu Adam Smith dari abad 18 sudah menganjurkan spesialisasi. Katanya dengan spesialisasi maka orang akan bisa melakukan hal dengan lebih cepat dan lebih efisien. Tetapi kenyataannya mau sampai berapa banyak tim di dalam operation kita yang spesialis, dan bukankah itu nantinya malah membebani cost. Jadi dilema antara spesialisasi dan unifikasi ini selalu menjadi tantangan buat operation, karena itu akan menentukan bagaimana kita mencapai target kita dengan se-efficient mungkin. Dan hari ini kita mendapatkan guest, yaitu Amir Uddin. Beliau adalah Operation Director dari Allianz Indonesia. Kita beri tepuk tangan pada Allianz. Since Amir is expatriate, yeah, so Amir would like to have the discussion in English, and I think we don't have any problem in English. And recently, not too recent maybe, Allianz is trying to get the most efficient way of operations between the life insurance and the general insurance, right?
That's right.
Because these two actually are in the same office, yeah, operating almost maybe the same, more or less same segment of customers, yeah, but two products are different. But by the regulations, it must be separated. Yes. But let's say if we are talking about operations, let's say if the regulation is not enforced to be like that, yeah, I mean, especially for back office operations, for front office, it must be separated. But the back office, maybe we can have some synergy and combinations. So we are talking about how to make operations at the most efficient way. And this article presents us that the challenges that we face in specialization and unifications are the establishing objectives. Yeah? If the team are too much in the unifications, then the objectives are not too clear. And also, if the two teams are in a specialized mode, yeah, the objectives might be too small rather than the overall objective that must be achieved. The examples is like this: when an airline trying to make the low-cost airlines, the low-cost division. Yeah. This low-cost division is a specialized division. And the low-cost airline, the key for the low-cost operation is that you have to be very efficient in every value of every chain of activities. And because of this pressure, this specialized team might think that they have to be very efficient in every operations, yeah, including when boarding the customers, when serving the customers, they have to be very efficient. They forget that airline is a service business, so that they run for the efficiency, but forgetting that customer service is number one. Actually, you can be very efficient, but if you forget the customer service, everything is becoming nothing. So when you get into too specialized, people might think too narrow. Yeah, that's the challenge. Second is setting boundaries. When you set specialized teams, then you have to set the boundaries in which task you have to hand over to the other specialized team. Or if two teams are almost equal, then what are the boundaries of one team to another? Let's say we are talking about insurance. Let's say we are talking about agents, for example. Then the boundaries is you can sell in which area. Yeah, might be there are some commitment of boundaries that you can only sell for Jakarta, you can only sell for Medan, for example. That is boundaries. In task is almost the same thing. And then third thing, the challenge is manage interactions. We know that in teams there are some tasks are overlapping, yeah? And some overlapping is still healthy. Yeah? But still, if we can combine this overlapping, it will be saving of all costs. The challenge is when, up to what limit we have to combine, up to what limit we will leave it with every team having the same operations. Yeah, and the fourth challenge is the performance criteria, because specialized teams might have their own challenges, might have their own context that might be the performance criteria of one team, even though the task might be looks similar. Performance criteria might be different from one team to another, right? The easiest example is that, of course, your sales target for Jakarta team will not be different. Will not be the same with the sales target for, let's say, Irian Jaya area. Yeah? Totally different area, might be different target. Same thing like other performance criteria for operations. So these are the challenges, and we are talking about the real challenges that has been faced by Amir in his task as operation director, and his goal is the operation excellence. While this might be example from one particular company, I think this can be applicable to all companies as well, because operation each company is almost the same, but marketing side might be more different. Yeah. Okay. First question I would like to ask Amir is that there is an issue of trying to unify some overlapping divisions in the alliance, right?
That's right.
Yeah. What is the biggest challenges you face in this unification?
If I can just take a little bit step back first. Insurance business is a very focused service industry.
Right.
I think the difference we have from other service and I think manufacturing industries is that our product is very intangible. It's a piece of paper at the end, or a promise at the end of the day, and that makes it, I think, even more difficult to offer. For example, in the airline example you gave, it's a different standard.
Right.
One is the luxurious, where everything comes built in. The other one is no frills, and you can feel the difference. But insurance, that's very difficult, because you don't get the goods, or you
Until
don't
the problem comes.
Yes. Exactly.
Until the problem comes, you never know how
Absolutely. Absolutely. So that creates a different set of situations for us in the insurance industry. I think at the end of the day also we have to realize that we are an industry that is given trust by our customers, because they place their money with us, and we have to manage that money in an effective way, because when they need it, they must be able to get it back.
Right.
And I think that puts certain limitations on how much freedom we should have as an insurance company. I think, and the very important part here is the government and the regulations from Indonesia, or the Indonesian regulations. And I think those are probably one of the most challenging part in bringing these operations, especially operations, together, because there are certain core functions of an insurance company, the risk management, the pricing, the servicing, which the regulator may not allow us to bring together.
Okay, so you said that from management part, from management point of view, from logical point of view, we have a calculation on how to make it, the most efficient way.
Right.
But some of this hampered by regulations,
Yes.
not allowed by regulations, and that is the biggest challenge that
I think
you face.
it's not a negative challenge. I think it's a fair challenge to face, but it puts certain limitations on the extent to which we would like to go with the merging or the shared servicing.
All right.
But I think I say it's a big challenge because it's a very important challenge, and we must address and must handle the regulatory. It's not an issue to bend the rules or to go around them. They must be met, 100% compliance. So other than that, I think the other challenge is, again, even though we have two companies, we're both insurance companies, we have different types of products which serve different needs of our customers.
I mean, we will we'll cover this in the next segment because we have to have a shorter break.
Sure.
So, para business leaders and intellectual business community, please join us with your SMS 20896 times 999999 You can raise your questions, you can give your comments or your opinions about this program or this topic. We'll have a short break.